Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Today's recipe is egg biryani. Really amazing and delicious recipe. Before starting the recipe, if you're not a subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. So let's begin the recipe. For this biryani, first we prepare the masalas. For that we need 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of shahi zeera, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 to 5 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise and 1 mace. Roast the spices in low flame for 5 minutes. Take the roasted spices and make a fine powder. Take 3 glasses of basmati rice, wash and soak it for 30 minutes. Now in a pan, add half a cup of oil. Once the oil gets hot, add 1 cup of sliced onion and fry them. Fry till it's become golden brown in color. As you've seen, this onion has fried evenly. Now the entire onion will be taken out and kept aside. In the same oil, add whole spices such as 4 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, bay leaves, black cardamom and cloves. Now add some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Mix together. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 3 green chilies. Fry till the raw smell gone. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix together. Add salt as required. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Mix together. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes in low flame. Now the tomatoes have mashed up nicely. The oil on the sides is also oozing out. I had already boiled the egg. Now add the boiled egg and fry for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, take out the eggs and keep it aside. At this stage, add fried onions. Give a nice mix. Add half a cup of yogurt, mix together. Mix really well. Add half a teaspoon of kasturi methi. Kasturi methi give a nice flavor to the biryani. Add 1 tablespoon of biryani masala that we have prepared. Mix together. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes in low flame. Take out the oil and keep it aside. Now add eggs that we have kept aside. and mix it. For rice, we need 4 to 5 cloves, 4 cardamom, 2 black cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves. Add all the whole spices in water. In a water, add salt as required and boil the water. Now all these whole spices will be taken out from the water. In this boiling water, add soaked rice, 1 teaspoon of kevra water. This is optional. If you add this kevra water, it enhances the flavor of rice. We need to cook the rice for 70 to 75%. Once the rice was cooked, strain it. As you seen, the rice is cooked only 70%. Now start layering. Layer it with rice. Add egg akhni. Again layer it with rice. Put some sliced lemon. Topmost layer, pour the akhni oil that we kept aside. Sprinkle some fried onions, lemon sliced, and steam it. Cook on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Lower the flame and let it cook for 15 minutes patiently. The perfect, very delicious and flavorful egg biryani is ready. Give it a try and send your feedbacks in the comment down. Like this recipe, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.